Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Alright, today we'll be treating how to make cubes with Sinamay. So we have our foils, the Sinamay measuring tape, and some wood cubes. So, and also our scissors. So basically we have to be taking the measurements of these cubes in order for us to know how to the measurements will be cutting on our Sinamay. So what I'm trying to do there is just to show you where exactly you'll be taking the measurements from and to. So just from that to the pointer and to the place I'm pointing, and we'll repeat that for the other side. So basically the truth of the matter is that they are of the same size, more like you're trying to repeat the stuff. So from there to this place is 8 centimeter, and for us to confirm, we'll still be showing you the other side of it. So basically that is what it is, and it's also 8 centimeters. So aside from that, we'll also be taking, we've taken the length, now we'll be taking the width. So exactly where I'm actually touching now is the width. So we'll be taking it, and basically we'll have to be timesing it by 2 because we'll be doubling the Sinamay. So I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to be measuring the width, but first of all, I'm trying to trim down my Sinamay so it can easily be used when I want to cut the right measurement from the Sinamay. So when this is the cube, like now we've taken the length, now the next is just for us to take the width, and the width starts from where I'm pointing to the next place, and afterwards you can see what I'm trying to say. So when you take the measurement, of course it's giving us 3.5 centimeter times it by 2 is it's equal to 7 centimeter. So basically the length is 8 centimeter while the width will be 7 centimeter. So exactly, so now we'll be cutting it on the Sinamay. So I would like you guys to watch. So the top part is what we'll be cutting 7 centimeter, and the side part will be cutting 8 centimeter. So and that is it, and afterwards we'll be replicating that to other colors of Sinamays we'll be using. Okay, so when we are done cutting, that's for 7 and that's for 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So these are the ones we've cut out for different colors of Sinamay, and afterwards we will start working on how to wrap our wood cubes. And I'm already showing you guys the number of Sinamays we need. For each cube we will need 2 Sinamays of that same measurement, and that is it. Now for us, it's time for us to wrap these wood cubes, and I'm going to be using a foil and you can also use something else, but I think foil can prevent the wood from the heat of the iron. But I just feel that's the best option to use. Foil, the best option to use is foil, and it's going to give you a good job. So basically that is what I'm using now, and afterwards I'll be showing you guys how we achieve those cubes. Okay, so we have finished wrapping the cubes, and we have them 6 in number. So basically now I've plugged my iron. We need to use iron in this tutorial, the steam iron to be precise. Now for each cinnamon that I've cut, I'll be folding it into 2. So this will also, this is more like trying to double one side. That was why when we took the width to be 3.5 centimeter, we had to times it by 2 to give us 7 centimeter. So now you understand the reason why we did that. So basically it's just for the fact that we need to double the cinnamon. So at this point we'll be ironing each parts of this cube to give us the shape we want. So basically this is what we'll do to other cubes with alongside with the other colors of the cinnamon, and at the end of the day we'll be achieving our cube. And the next is to show you how to glue them together and achieve a perfect and a beautiful looking cinnamon cubes. So just keep watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel. Welcome to FeSe Millinery family, and we bless your welcome in our midst. Okay, so and for our old timers, thank you for clicking back, thank you for always coming. And if you have been here watching our videos and you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. Subscription is free. The amount of time you spend unsubscribe to this channel is still the amount of time and data you spend while you are subscribed to this channel. So you won't, basically the subscription is free. So would like you guys to join our family and also be a part to everything we're doing. So, and also don't forget to click the bell right beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime we upload our videos. And aside from that, I will also be shouting out to all the people that tries as much as possible to comment. I will also encourage you guys to keep commenting. It helps the channel to grow, and it's an avenue for us to interact also and get to know each other. So that is it, and you can see what we've done so far. And we've been able to form a cube from this cinnamon and also the wood cube. So, and this is how you will practically be joining them together to form a complete cube. So basically we'll do that for every other cinnamon that we have on the table. And this is another option, this is another alternative you can use if you don't want to just keep ironing each side of the cube while it's on the wood cube. So now we are done with the rest of the cinnamon, and now we'll be using our adhesive, all-purpose adhesive. You can as well use other ones aside from this gum, but this is the one I'm using. If you have something better, you can actually go for it. And this is exactly how I will be gluing these two pieces together to form my complete cube. And after you're done with that, you can just basically try to clean up the mess around it. And if your cinnamon tries to pop in, maybe it goes in, just get a little pin and drag it out, and basically the whole thing will be ready to use for your fascinator or your hearts. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I hope it's going to be useful. And please, if you are yet to like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And for the haters, no problem, it's always good to have people around people like you around, but I encourage you this time to please like the video and be positive for once. God bless you. And please do wait till the end of this video, because you will be seeing the final result. Thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.